Title: Giant, the colossal wonders of nature. Meaning: today, we're discussing the word giant. A giant is an exceptionally large and towering creature or object. It's a term that invokes a sense of awe and wonder. Pronunciation: pronouncing giant is simple, ʻdʒaɪənt, with a soft G and a short A. Use in a sentence. For example, the sequoia trees in California are giants of the forest, reaching incredible heights and sizes. Importance: giants in nature, folklore, and culture captivate our imagination and remind us of the incredible diversity and majesty of the world. Conclusion: in summary, giant is a word that symbolizes the remarkable size and presence of beings and things in our world. Thanks for joining us today on your channel name. If you found this information helpful, please give it a thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe for more educational and informative content. Stay tuned for our next word exploration. Until then, continue to marvel at the giants that grace our planet.